Hey everybody, happy Saturday. Here I am in the workshop today and I just thought I'd show you something that I had a question about last week. A friend was saying that she was wanting to paint her cane furniture, its outdoor setting, and so I was giving her some tips on how to do that. So I just thought I'd show you one of my methods for just creating a whitewashed kind of look. I was just over on my Instagram stories starting this, so you may have seen a sneak peek over there. But one of the methods I use is painting it on, wiping it off straight away. So I thought I'd give you a little demo of that right here. And hi Chris, oh thank you so much. I'm just going to flip the camera around to show you what I'm working on. Look at this, is this adorable? It's like a little dolly's or teddy bear chair and it's cane. I found it in the op shop for like, I don't know, $5 or something like that. So I thought this would be a perfect demo piece for showing you one of the methods that you can use for painting and giving a whitewash look to cane furniture. I know, isn't it gorgeous? So what I was showing on my Instagram story just a second ago, I think I probably need this camera up a bit higher. Let me see if I can fix that. But in the meantime, turn the box upside down and here's my tripod. Here we go, let's see if I can. There we go. There's all the action. So we're going to be working on this cane chair here. Happy Saturday, everyone. Let me know where you're tuning in from. I was just saying, if you've just joined me, I'm working on this chair. Just was describing to a friend this week how she could do her outdoor furniture. And she wanted sort of a grey wash, whitewash look. On this one, I'm using Fusion's Raw Silk, just a white paint. And I advised her to use spray because spraying is a lot quicker when you're working with cane, because when you're brushing you have to get all into the grooves and it's just a lot trickier to do, whereas if you're spraying large pieces. But for this demo I'm just going to use a brush. So I've partly shown how to do that, and this is another tip I'll give you. If you're unsure if your method is going to work out or what it's going to look like, flip your chair upside down if it's an outdoor dining setting, and I'll show you where I've just had a little sneak demo here to just trial it, see how it's going to work before I go live and show the world. But I'm liking the way that that's kind of turning out. So what I've done is I've smushed the paint all into the grooves here, and then I've wiped it off with a rag. Now the cloth I've used is lint free, it's a Chucks, and I've just wiped it back there immediately to sort of wipe away the wet paint from on the top, but then the dry the paint still sits in the grooves there. So I did notice a little bit of pooling here, so then what I did was grabbed a dry brush and just tried to get up that paint that was pooling and spread it around a bit, and then go ahead again and wipe in that. So let me turn it around for you now, and I'll start on a bit that's a little bit more demonstrative, for a better word. And all I've done is grabbed a bit of paint on my brush, not a whole lot. We'll just work right on the seat here because that's really dense and thick. So if you were spraying the cane, like I said, it's probably a better idea because you can get right down in those grooves, whereas the brush, you kind of have to smush it a bit. It's my technical term for getting it into the grooves, and it can be a little bit tedious. So I've just smushed the paint all into the grooves there. Just using, now you could use a damp cloth if I felt like I wasn't getting enough of the paint off or enough of a grey wash. I would just dampen the cloth a little bit, but I've just used a dry cloth for the moment so that we're not getting as much out. Now what I'm doing is wiping it back immediately. So the paint's still wet and I'm just wiping back, and you can see that the white paint is sitting in the groove. So this is just one method you could use for giving your furniture that grey wash, whitewash look. If you have tried some other method, let me know. You could use stain finishes, you could use an actual stain whitewash finish, but I'd love to know your method for giving cane pieces that whitewash look. I'm really liking the way that that's turned out. The other way that you could do it is by painting it on, letting the paint dry, and then sanding it. But to me that's a lot more work, because sanding seems to be a lot more fiddly and you're getting sanding, dust particles and everything, whereas the cloth and just wiping along that section is just wiping that back straight away. And you can see close up there, the white all sits in the grooves. And yeah, it looks really great. So if you've used another method for that, let me know. Yeah, thanks, Cara. It's a great technique. Just discovered it myself. I have done a lot of painting baskets and painting cane, but I haven't done the just wiping it off straight away. So here we go again, just smushing it into all the grooves. And I haven't even dipped my brush in the paint again since I've started the seat of this little chair. It's just an adorable little dolls or teddy's chair that I picked up at the op shop this week and thought it would be a great demo for my friend Tennille. If you're watching, Tennille, shout out to you, my friend, who's going to be working on her, yeah, I love that. She's going to be working on her cane outdoor setting, and I was giving her some tips on how she could go about giving it a whitewash look. So I'll be sharing this with her later if she's not watching now. Look at that. Just let me go in for a close-up on how that's working and turning out. So I hope you like that. And be sure and go and follow me over on Instagram stories as well, if you're not following me there already. And you can pick up any of the paint products on my website, irestorestuff.com. And I'd love to see you on some of my other social media platforms. I'm on Pinterest and YouTube, and have tutorials on my blog. So I'd love to see you there. And thanks for watching that little demo today. I hope you found some helpful tips. Again, if you have a different method for whitewashing cane furniture, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your tips. See ya.